What up, YouTube? I'm waiting for my friend right now. We're about to go on a quick little ride. Might go pick up my brother. I don't know if he'll be able to ride. He got a flat tire in his car. So yeah, we'll just play it by ear. But an update on the race that was on Tuesday. Of course, I didn't win. It was against the men, and they're really good, and I'm not that great. But I definitely had a good time, and I learned some things. So that's good. What else to update on? Had a good week. Got some miles in. The weather's great. Can't complain. Got schoolwork, but you got to do something productive now and then. Can't always be fun. Work was cool. Got everything completed. Don't got to deal with no BS. Friday was super easy. Most of my coworkers weren't even there. I just was in there banging out a bunch of work, getting it done, and yeah, just doing that. All right, YouTube. Get back with y'all. Y'all have a good weekend. Peace.